Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Subbuck Sandy on YouTube. So thank you for subscribing and watching and definitely hitting the like button. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get, I only have about 200 subscribers, so if you know anybody that would enjoy these videos, please text them, tag me on your socials, let them know so they can subscribe too. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers here in the next few months, so and I only have 200, so it's a haul, it's an uphill battle. Anyways, today we are covering the Ipsy Glambag, which is now called the original. This is the December bag. This bag runs $14 a month, and every month you get a different designed bag, different material. They're really nice, and this one is just such a cute one, just darling. It's a satin with these little red sparkle bows on here, and just a cute little, you know, um, ribbon pull. So, anyways, I'm going to get into this. I have not opened these at all. I just looked at the card, so I don't even know what the products look like. What's really nice with the, and I don't get paid. This is all, my own money doing this. I just enjoy doing this channel, and I love things all beauty and skincare. So with the Ipsy original, which is called the Glam Bag, which is now called the original, you actually get it's geared towards you. It's specifically based on your preferences when you first sign up, and it goes over skincare, your skin tone, what your hair is like, what products you like, what colors of um, makeup that you like, and then they curtail and customize your bag based on your preferences. So this covers a lot of skincare. I believe that I must have put, a lot of skincare on mine. So we will get to it. The first item we have in the bag is a Maracuja. Um, this is a wonderful product. I love it. I actually have a full size that I'm using, and I just finished another one a few months ago. This is the Maracuja oil. It's the lip balm gloss, and it's in the color rose. They run $27 for a full size, and this one just happens to twist up, but it does twist back down, which is really nice. And a lot of the Tarte products have a little button on the bottom that you click, and then the product, comes up. But this, I swear by this lip balm, it is so good, and especially for the winter time. And it just gives you just a little sheer tint of color, and this one happens to be in a rose color, which is really pretty. Yeah. And so those retail for $27. This again just happens to be a little deluxe sample. The second item is by Pacifica, and this is the Hydro Dew Vegan Mucin Barrier Face Moisturizer. This retails in a full size of 50 milliliters, almost 2 ounces, $16. And we end up getting, let's see, how much of product here. Um, I would say we probably got 20 milliliters, so we got 0.66, almost 2/3 of an ounce of product. And yeah, so that's a good product, and so I'm glad to have this. And oh, excuse me, actually we got 20 milliliters, and a full size is 50, so we got less than half of a full size. So that's a nice deluxe sample. That's nice for a weekend. That would probably last you at least a week, maybe two weeks. If you were taking this on a trip somewhere or going to travel. So that's a nice product, and let's see if I can try that. It is sealed, and let's get the foil off of it and see what this product is like. I like Pacifica. A lot of their products are vegan. I'm almost thinking all of them are, and they've gone to you know, it's cruelty free. They do a lot of good things for the environment. And so I kind of enjoy that. And so this one happens to be a vegan and it's a mucin. So I'm not sure if it's probably not snail mucin, but when they say mucin, usually that means a snail mucin. So, and I'm sorry, I have color on from another video here. So, and it feels wonderful, and it does feel just like a snail mucin, and that is nice. And let me just double check and see if it's some type of vegan snail mucin. Um, I cannot read what's on the back here. Let's see if it gives any. It just says apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin and neck. It's even good for all skin, even acne prone in need of hydration and barrier care. And the product is Well-Being Dermatologist Tested Vegan Mucin. Okay, so it is. It's actually made from yam. And it's vegan squalane and ectoin. And I'm not sure what ectoin is, but they have a lot of, I don't know if you can read any of that. And you can probably pull in to look at that. But that's why I like the Pacifica brand. They try to do a lot. So this is a vegan mucin, and it feels quite nice. Very good moisturizing, and I can feel that hydration. It's not greasy whatsoever. It almost has like a gel type of consistency to it. And just a very pleasant scent, but very light. So, anyways, the third item is by Beauty for Certain, and this is their tubing brow gel. And I'll read a little bit about it because I got concerned because I thought tubing made your eyelashes long. So I'm like, what does it do? What does tubing do to your eyebrow lashes, you know, your eyebrow hairs? So this is fluffy, full, and fuss-free. This gel helps you get the brows of your dreams. Shape and lift your arches with zero crunch or stiffness, just flexible hold that lasts all day. And it says use in upward strokes to max lift and a just laminated effect. Oh, so that's nice. It's going to give you that kind of that nice lamination effect. And let's see, it's sealed up, so I'm not going to break the seal. But if you look here, you can see there's like a little comb side and almost a brush side. And I'm not sure if you can see that. But there's the brush side at the bottom, and then there's the comb side, and it's very fine. And so it must be, I don't know if you click it and it comes up, or you twist this off and use the product tube that's inside and then go back in with the top. I think I'm going to open this for you guys and see what this product is all about. And good. Let me get this off. And now I'm a little curious. So, see, this is a nice thing. You actually get to check, and it looks like we got a full-size product here. And this full-size product runs $18. So this is actually a full-size $18 product from Beauty for Certain for this Ipsy bag. And oh, and so here it is. So you actually brush this on, and then it dries clear, and then it looks like you take the lid off here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. And you use this side to go ahead and shape everything before it dries and it sets. So that's a really neat design. I actually really like this packaging. And so, yeah, and so I will try that, see how that formula works. And this again is Beauty for Certain. and it's their tubing brow gel. And that retails for $18, and we did get a full size, which I will take. How nice. And then the fourth item is Adagio. And Adagio is a soothing relief cooling scalp serum. It retails for $48 or $49 for 30 milliliters. And that's what we got here. Wow. So that's a $49 product that we received in this box. And this is the full size. And it says banish discomfort with this refreshing treatment that helps gently exfoliate and boost hydration. Lactic acid soothes and balances while a refreshing, cooling sensation adds extra Tip, massage in before shampooing for maximum flake fighting magic. And the retail MSRP is a 30 milliliter, which is this size, and it runs $49. And so I am excited to have that, and it's not real oily. It has a little bit of thickness to it, but it's very fluid. And so yeah, I will try that. How nice. What a nice product to get. I'm excited. I can't believe what an expensive product. And Adagio, I've heard very good things about this brand and that it's a good brand. So, anyways, that is number 4. And then number 5, the last product inside our bag. And it's so pretty. The bag has a red satin on the inside. So, definitely fitting for the holidays, for Christmas. This is Life, and I like this brand too. They do a lot of good things with environment, cruelty-free, a lot of natural ingredients in their product, and just a very conscientious brand. So this is the Life NAD Peptide Facial Scrub. And it says, get your glow on with this gentle facial scrub. This peptide-powered scrub buffs away dullness without the harsh grit, leaving your complexion smooth, soft, and lit from within. It's gentle enough to use a few times a week and effective enough to earn a permanent spot in your routine. Tip, massage in circular motions for 1 minute to boost circulation and maximize your glow. And this looks like a really expensive product. It says here we got a deluxe sample size, but the full size runs $110. $110 for 100 milliliters. So that's a little more than $1 a milliliter. So let's look at what we end up getting on this one. We end up getting is it 20? 10. I think we end up getting 10 milliliters. So like a third of an ounce. So this is over a $10 product. You probably couldn't touch this for less than $15. That's what I would think. Usually with the smaller amount, it costs a little bit more per, milliliter or per ounce. So 10 milliliters, that's about a $15 product. So, we did really good. This has been a really good bag. We received just basic. So there's $15. We probably received $5 here. That's $20. The full size $18. So you're looking at $38. The $50 product here. So we're looking at $87, and then here. So we're looking at over $90 worth of product that we received for $14. It's $14 for the Ipsy original bag, which is the old Glambag name. $14 per month, $1.99 for shipping. So you're looking at $16 and then a little tax. So 16 and change, and we received over $90 worth of product. So I'm happy with it, plus the bag on top of it. So you're looking at, that's definitely $100 bag this month for December, for $14. So anyways, I love it, and I'm so glad to show that to you, and I hope you have a good night, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and please tell your friends so they can subscribe too and hit that like button, and now I have another video, so thank you.